Welcome to the greytHR community. With a vision to build a central place for connection, conversation, and collaboration on HR and payroll for our customers, we present to you the greytHR community. Here in community, you will not only find answers to your questions, but also start discussion on all topics related to HR and payroll with like-minded professionals sharing best practices on the domain. A few tips and tricks as well. When you sign up and create an account, it becomes a ticket for you to join with us in this journey. Let me now get you familiar with the sign-up steps. From the greytHR community page, click the sign up button found on the top right part of the page to get started. You will now notice a pop-up window where you will be creating your own greytHR community account. Fill the mandatory information such as email address, username, name, a password for your account, and your organization name. Once you have submitted the details, click on Create a New Account. You will be shown a confirmation message here. Also, an activation email will be sent to your registered email address. Open your email and click the link to confirm and activate your new account. It will open up the Welcome to greytHR community webpage. Simply click here to complete the activation. Congratulations, you have successfully signed up to the greytHR community. One of the best way to find information is to search for it. Let's try the search feature for the common knowledge posts. For example, type Form 16 in the search bar and you will immediately see in search results posts related to Form 16. Click on any post to read the discussion. That's how easy it is. In case you didn't find something specific that you're looking for, you could make use of the advanced search options. Click on the magnifying glass in the search bar and then click Options. You will be led to the advanced search options where you could customize your search based on specific content, category, tags, or even date. Click on the hamburger menu icon on top right and click on Latest to browse all the recent posts in the community. Now to the left of the Latest button, you could review all the categories and subcategories created for you in the community. We have the top tab hosting the most active post here. Last but not least, there is a lot of information you would want to refer to later as well. For that purpose, we have all your bookmark posts stored here under the bookmark section. In case a search result did not get you the required information, it's time for you to create a new question by clicking on the New Topic button. Provide your question a recognizable title, category, and a brief description of the issue. Click Create Topic and you are set. You will get an email notification on your email account when you get an answer. You can gain recognition, establish credibility, and build your own personal brand by becoming a thought leader and giving back by helping others with their questions. Here, everybody can contribute best suggestions and you could help the community of HR and payroll professionals evolve even faster for beginner users to professionals and expert levels. There is a place for everyone to connect, learn, and grow in our community. Come and join the greytHR community to build together a one-stop destination for everything for HR and payroll. With that, we come to an end of this video. I hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to get updates about our upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.